Hello everybody. In this video we are making seafood egg rolls. First we'll start off searing sausages with bell pepper and onions. And these are Cajun styled andouille sausages. And next we'll have some crawfish tails. And we're gonna add some crab meat to a skillet. We'll mix it in together and then we'll season it. We're just gonna break down this chunk of crab meat. We're going to mix it all in, and we're not going to overcook it because we don't want it tough. So right here, we're going to add Old Bay seasoning. I think whenever you're dealing with seafood, you need Old Bay seasoning. You can't go wrong. I think it's a necessity. So you add your Old Bay seasoning. I did not measure, but just dump it in. You can't go wrong again. Then I have Flavor God seasoning. It's Garlic Lovers. And next we're going to do Cajun seasoning for a little spice. If you like spicy, you can add a little or a lot. If you don't like it, you can take it away altogether. But it's whatever makes your boat float. And we're going to add some Lawry seasoned salt for salt, because the other seasonings I used, they did not contain salt. So I'm adding Lawry's for a little more season as well. So we're going to mix that all together, get the seasonings flowing throughout. You'll see the pot on the back eye. That's some rice I have boiling. We'll see that in a few minutes. This is some cabbage I cooked up before the video, before I decided I wanted to record. I only did a small amount because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it in the egg roll, so I just did a small amount. And those were the sausages that I seared up at the beginning. Now we're going to transfer the crawfish tails and crab meat mixture into a bowl. I'm trying to let some of the excess juice drip off, but it's fine, you know. Just dump it in. Look, I got a little company in the back, y'all. He was ready to taste test. We're going to add some cream cheese. I used about half a block of cream cheese. I also attempted to let it get room temperature, but you know when you're trying something new, you get anxious and you just want to go ahead and cook it. So that's kind of what happened here. It wasn't all the way room temperature, but it was good enough. And I'm adding the sausage and bell pepper and onion mixture in it. And we're going to stir it up. And you're going to see me chopping and chomping and everything. Just trying to mix in the cream cheese. And I think there was a triple blend cheddar mix that I'm adding. You can add as much cheese as you like. If you love cheese, you can add a lot or not. It's up to you. And that's Monterey Jack cheese. Again, you add however much cheese you like. For my cheese lovers, I know you'll probably go crazy with it. And we're going to stir it all in together. And make sure you stir it good, especially if your cream cheese wasn't room temperature. You need to stir it really good because you don't want just like little chunks of cream cheese throughout. Unless you don't mind, but I wanted everything mixed well. So I made sure to get a bunch of those chunks down to real small pieces and blend it. Just blend it really well. And here I have butter that I've already added to the skillet. And I'm also going to add garlic spread. I think this is when I add the rice. Now, I just cooked the rice. So throughout the video, you may feel like the rice looks gummy, but it was kind of okay with me. I know when some people do, fried rice or your stir fry or whatever, they may use a day old rice or rice that has been refrigerated, but I didn't really care because I thought about it last minute that I wanted rice kind of as a binder in my egg roll, if that makes sense. So I just did rice at the last minute. I'm going to stir in the the garlic butter along with the other butter. Get all that rice, girl. Nothing goes to waste. We're going to add liquid amino. Be very, very careful when using liquid amino because it can get very salty. So I used a little bit of liquid amino. I used the teriyaki marinating sauce. And next, I think it was, what is that? It was a stir fry sauce. I'm not really a sauce person, but I wanted some flavor, so I added this. So I would prefer a hot sauce than cold sauce. So I just added it in so it can get warm and just mixed it out with the other sauces. I did not add egg or vegetables to this rice because I'm a picky eater. So I just wanted to keep it simple, and I'm adding more soy sauce for color. This is the part where I was saying it may look gummy, but it was okay. And there we go, girl. We're putting the mixture into the egg roll wrap, and I'm going to add the cabbage in whichever ones I want to. I did not put the cabbage into the entire crawfish mixture because I didn't know if I was going to like it, so I just decided to keep that apart from the other mixture and just add it whenever I want it. And so we're going to roll that over and tuck it real tight, and then we'll fold in the sides. And if you see me sticking my hand from outside of the camera, it was for the water. Some people use an egg mixture to seal your egg roll wrap, but water would do just fine. It would do the same thing. So I use water. Do y'all see my quarantine nails? No judging, because I think we all probably look the same right now. My press-on popped off, but I was over it. And this egg roll, I think I kind of turned it toward you guys so you can see me wrap it up. And I added rice in this one. Just something different, just something we wanted to try. And it turned out really, really good. Did I turn it so you can see it? Just a little. So we're going to tuck it, and then we'll pull in the sides. My wrapper was a little crunchy. I had to add more water than usual, but it's fine. And we're going to roll it on over. I'm showing you one more time. Look at that one nail missing. Now, you know I should be ashamed of myself, but it's fine. And roll it up. They were getting a little stiff because I actually opened the pack the day before when I planned to cook it, but I did not cook it, so they got a little crunchy around the edge. But here are a few. I did more than this, but this I just wanted to stop here and show you how they looked. And here they are frying up. And those are a few of them out the grease. And we're going to cut this one open to see what the inside looks like. I chose the wrong knife because this type of knife would tear whatever you're cutting, but it was fine. And that's the crawfish, crab meat, sausage, and I don't think rice was in this one. So crawfish, crab meat, cheese, and sausage. And there we are, y'all. I had fun doing this. If you try it, let me know. Comment down below, like, and subscribe.